I'm Lucy.
And I'm Allison. And we're here to show you how to make some food. First, you've got to add the 3/4 cups of warm water, not pond water. You don't want to get the plague. Wrong time period.
Should I put it in?
Yes. With 1 package / 1 teaspoon of dry active yeast. So my 7-year-old husband, Siegfried, he's like, you know, he really needs to go off to war. Half cup. Okay.
1/2 cup milk.
1 teaspoon of salt.
1.5 tablespoons sugar. First 2 cups of flour.
Great from at the wedding feast of my 4-year-old daughter.
4 years old. That's a little old to be getting married. Yeah, we need to add more, like at least 3 more cups of flour.
It smells so good.
And then we're gonna knead and adding small spoonfuls of flour until the dough is soft and smooth but not sticky.
Observe how your dough should look at this point.
Kneading. Ew.
Put it in the buttered bowl and then turn it over. Put it in the buttered bowl like that, then turn it over so that the whole thing has butter on it. Like that, the whole thing is greased. Cover and let rise in a warm spot for an hour. Now you have to punch it after you let it rise for an hour. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. And then turn it out onto the floured board.
Oh man, I'm gonna take off my rings again.
Take them off. Okay. Just turn it out onto the floured board. And then it's time to knead again. Bounced a little, except not really. Preheat your oven to 375. I mean, preheat what? Put your fire under the pan.
Your pan over the fire.
Or light a fire under your pan. Either one works.
That was weird. Now that we have our fruit, we're going to have to drain the juice because there's a lot of it.
Don't forget to heat your fruit first for 5 or 6 minutes in water.
We're going to sweeten it with honey and brown sugar.
To taste, there's no specific measurement.
Die, sugar, die. For your fruit topping,
You need equal parts toasted hazelnuts and breadcrumbs. Now, you have just your drained fruit
and your breadcrumbs and hazelnuts. And you're going to pour your breadcrumbs and hazelnuts onto your fruit.
You're going to cook it in the oven. Man, our 7-year-old husbands sure are lucky to have our food preparing skills.
Seriously, just look at this fantastic bread.